Now, before we discuss what is risk universe of your business, what is risk management, what is risk mitigation, why to manage risk, how to manage risk, how to build culture of risk management, and how to develop an attitude of risk management. Now, before we discuss all this, friends, we need to discuss a fundamental question, and that fundamental question is, remember, is really a fundamental question, because the question that I'm going to raise here, I'm sure rarely would cross your mind. And what this question is, what is purpose of any business? Now, typically one would think that the purpose of a business is to make profit. And let me tell you, friends, as company secretaries, as professionals, we should definitely be clear in our mind that purpose of a business is not to make profit. And why do I say that the purpose of a business is not to make profit? And that is because if the purpose of a business was to make profit, you would not see a company called Google. Why? Because Larry Page and Sergey Brin, the founders of Google, started making profit within first few years of the start of Google. And they would have said that the purpose of a business is to make profit. We have earned profit. Purpose is achieved. Let us close the business. If the purpose of a business was to make profit, we would not see a company called Apple. Why? Because Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak, the founders of Apple, started making profit within first few years of their operations, and they would have said the same thing, that the purpose of a business is to make profit. We have made profit. Purpose is achieved. Let us close the business. And remember, friends, if the purpose of a business was to make profit, then you would not hear a group called Tatas. And why? And that is because Jamsetji Tata, the founder of the Tata Empire that we see today, even before thinking of setting up the steel plant in Jamshedpur, had earned enough wealth from his trading business and from his textile business. And he would have said that purpose of a business is to make profit. I have earned profit. Purpose is achieved. Let us close the business. But
Sir, 1 minute, your voice is cracking. Your voice is not clearly audible.
Okay, now see, this can happen once in a while in between, and just bear with me and remind me like this, so that I will ensure that whatever I have spoken in last few seconds, I would repeat it, because unfortunately, signals, the best of the connections that you take for the internet, but you still run into trouble. So luckily, I had a session in the morning, everything went off very well, and suddenly we have some hitches, but I'm sure that should be okay. So please do not hesitate to interrupt me at any point in time whenever you feel that the voice is cracking. In that case, I will take a halt for a few seconds, because my experience is, you take a halt for a few seconds, it comes back, and then you can start again. So please do not have any hesitation in interrupting me at any point in time. I hope it is clear now. Is it clear now?
It is better, it's better, sir.
Better. Okay, so it happens sometimes once in a while, and just tolerate it for little time, and remind me. I will stop, and then we would continue this way, and hopefully it's only a temporary phenomena. After a while, I think it should be all right. So I was talking about Jamsetji Tata. So Jamsetji Tata, even before thinking of setting up the steel plant in Jamshedpur, he had earned enough wealth for himself and for his coming generations from his textile business and the trading business. But he did not say that the purpose of a business is to make profit. I have made profit. Let's close the business. And therefore, friends, why do I say that the purpose of a business is not to make profit? And I say so because making profit in business is compulsory. Making profit in business is mandatory. Making profit in business is non-negotiable. Making profit in business is not a matter of choice. Making profit in business is not a matter of an option. So if you are in business, you have to make profit. You have to make profit. And that is why I say that the purpose of a business is not to make profit. Why? Because profit is something that you have to make. It's not a matter of choice. Then the question is, what is purpose of a business? And please remember, friends, doesn't really matter as to whether it is America or Europe or Asia or Russia or Africa or